I grew up near Reading, which was a charming Victorian town with terraced streets and Gothic churches, crowned by elegant public buildings and smart hotels. But in the 1960s, things began to change. Here, in the centre, the homely streets were demolished to make way for office blocks, a bus station and car parks, all designed without consideration for beauty. And the result proves as clearly as can be that if you consider only utility, the things you build will soon be useless. When the public began to react against the brutal concrete style of the 1960s, architects simply replaced it with a new kind of junk. Glass walls hung on steel frames with absurd details that don't match. The result is another kind of failure to fit, and is there simply to be demolished.